She packed the flashlight, the blanket, and the mat.
Hey friends! Welcome back to another cleaning motivation. In today's video, we are going to speed clean my downstairs. This is pretty much what I clean on a daily basis to maintain my house. There are some days that I fall behind, of course, because I am only human and sometimes life happens and I skip chores. But for the most part, I really try hard to do a little bit of work every day so it doesn't pile up and gets overwhelming to tackle. I hope you join me and clean with me today. Let's do this! If you are new here to my channel, hello and welcome! My name is Sel. I am a wife and a full-time working mommy of one. I hope you stick around and subscribe to my channel for more cleaning motivations and lots of home organizations. I would love to have you and be a part of my YouTube family. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and tuning in. You are the best and I really appreciate you.
We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left get in trouble again. That stuff's got nothing on you. That was brand new. Still, it's got nothing on you tonight.
I normally start cleaning in the living room, but today I start in the kitchen because my island is a mess and I can't stand it anymore, so I have to tidy this up because I feel like when this island is all tidy and clean, it like instantly clean my kitchen. I don't know why, maybe because it's big and it's in the middle of the kitchen. This is not gonna be a chatty clean with me, but I am gonna play some good music, so I hope you enjoy this, guys.
Still, it's got nothing on you tonight. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left get in trouble again. That stuff's got nothing on you. That was brand new. Still, it's got nothing on you tonight.
I've been trying my best for a while.
On this side of the kitchen, we have the coffee section, and also on the very left side of it is where I display the wine and other alcohol, but I decided to put that inside the cabinet because I kind of want to free up this space because I've been thinking of putting up a cocoa bar because we've been drinking a lot of hot cocoa in this house, perfect for the weather since it's starting to get very cold. So let me know in the comments down below if that's something that you guys wanted to see because I'm still deciding, but I really think I wanted to put it out.
I'm on my way now. 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 I'll be going away for a while. Oh, and I don't know what I'll find. Maybe I can be a rock star, playing songs on my guitar. I know I have to be somewhere else to be able to find myself. Shouldn't be so complicated. If I listen to my heart, I'm gonna leave it all behind. Find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I don't wanna be dragged in a box. I just wanna go my own way. 'Cause I am on my way. I am on my way. I clowns around me. I've been putting on my fake smile.
I don't really show this side of the house in my videos because there's not much going on here. I don't even have any furnitures here yet because we recently just moved in this house a few months back and we're still trying to save up some money to buy some furniture here. And to be honest with you guys, we're not even quite sure yet what we're gonna do here. We were thinking of doing this as another living room, but we're not even sure yet what are we gonna put here. So we're just taking our time and I will keep you guys updated once we decorated this and buy the new furnitures and all that. I have two big German shepherds that sheds a lot, so vacuuming the floor is a must every single day.
On my way now. I'm on my way now. I'll be going away for a while. Oh, and I don't know what I'll find. Maybe I can be a rock star, playing songs on my guitar. I know I have to be somewhere else to be able to find myself. Shouldn't be so complicated. If I listen to my heart, I'm gonna leave it all behind. Find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I don't wanna be dragged in a box. I just wanna go my own way. 'Cause I am on my way. 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 I am on my
You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine. But I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see? I want you. I believe, 'cause I want you here with me. I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy for love. I look at you and know it's alright. You read my mind, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see? I want you. I believe, 'cause I want you here with me. I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy for love. I don't need another love. Yeah, we do this every day. We do this love for life. You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see? I want you. I believe, 'cause I want you here with me. I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy for love.
Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play it and the night is young. It doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like. There ain't nobody like. You look so beautiful, and I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Talking about yourself and you make me smile. I can listen all night long. I tell you about the time when I first met you, listening to our favorite song. Walking on the street when you caught my eye. Something about the way you move. No, there ain't nobody like. There ain't nobody like. So lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. 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 Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you.
I hope you enjoyed this video and find it motivating and helpful. I hope I inspire you to get up your butt and tackle your own mess at home. And if I did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and share this to a friend to inspire them as well. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so you wouldn't miss any more of my future uploads. Thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate your time, and I will talk to you all again on my next video. Bye!